I bought this guitar strap like purse strap from Amazon a while back, and it's not too shabby. I use it on two or three of my bags, and originally I wanted something like this Marc Jacobs strap, and overall this carries the same vibe. But the Marc Jacobs one is obviously better quality, and of course you're paying for the brand name. But this Amazon one is much more affordable and comes in different patterns and styles, just like Marc Jacobs. And I chose this one with silver highlights on the strap and gold hardware so I could tastefully and intentionally mix my metals. The one point I will share with you right away is that at its longest length, this one is barely long enough, and I have a wide girth and I'm 5'9". So if I have a bigger bag, it's no problem. But for tiny bags, I prefer my bags crossbody sitting at my hip. So it's a little bit short for some bags I own. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's worked out. Right away, I noticed that the strap feels sturdy and well made. The hardware doesn't feel flimsy, and the stitching looks pretty solid, which gives me confidence that it'll hold up with regular use. Now, I will say that the end pieces are probably not leather. I'm not 100% sure about that, but they don't smell leathery, but they look sturdy enough. Swapping it onto different purses is easy, and I like that it instantly changes the look of a bag just by the strap switch. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. For the price, I cannot do anything but recommend.